Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Wally budgeting app. Wally is a personal finance management tool that helps you track your income and expenses, set financial goals, and make informed decisions about your money. To get started, download and install the Wally app on your mobile device. Once installed, create an account by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. After creating your account, you will be asked to add your income sources. This can include your salary, investments, or any other regular income you receive. You can add multiple income sources and specify the frequency of each, such as monthly or bi-weekly. Next, you will be asked to add your expenses. Wally allows you to categorize your expenses into different groups such as housing, food, transportation, and entertainment. You can also add custom categories to fit your specific needs. To track your expenses, you can manually enter each transaction or link your bank account to the app. Wally will then automatically import your transactions and categorize them for you. One of the key features of Wally is its ability to set financial goals. You can set goals such as saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund. Wally will then provide you with a personalized plan to help you achieve your goals. To get the most out of Wally, it is essential to regularly review your budget and make adjustments as needed. You can do this by checking the app's dashboard, which provides a snapshot of your income and expenses. Best practices for using Wally include regularly updating your income and expenses, setting realistic financial goals, and avoiding impulse purchases. By following these best practices and using Wally consistently, you can gain control of your finances and achieve financial stability. In conclusion, Wally is a powerful tool for managing your personal finances. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can effectively use Wally to track your income and expenses, set financial goals, and make informed decisions about your money.